Hi guys, good morning, good evening. Hello, welcome, Mike. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm alive.
Still alive?
Yeah.
Are you? Hello, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much. Where's your coffee? Coffee time? Hello, Sister Kel. Hi, Kuya Brad. Good morning, Kuya Brad. Good morning, good morning. Good
Hey, Brett.
morning, guys. Hello, Kuya. Thank you so much. Hi, Sister Lapana. Hello. Hello everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Yeah,
What's
Brett.
up?
Stop on by whenever you want.
Thank you, thank you. Sure.
Ilocona.
Hello, Lakana. Hello, Guapo G.
Madeline.
Share the stream, Kuya Brad. Thank you.
Madeline.
Thank you, Kuya Brad. Sis Manali, nasend ko na yung panalo mo sa Pinoy. Yung isang panalo mo, nasend ko na sis Manalin. 36. Tapos, 48. Happy first day of December, everyone.
Oh, my dog's outside.
Uh-huh. You're welcome. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey.
Yeah, para to sa ano nga December 10 dati ni Mike. May konting bunutan lang tayo. Hindi na ako nagtanggap ng mga SP.